Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare crispy delicious barfi with just 2 ingredients. So let's begin. At first, take 2 medium-sized potatoes and peel off the skin. Now cut the potatoes into small pieces so that it takes less time to boil. Put the potato pieces into the water and let them boil. Cover the lid to fasten the boiling process. After a while, open the cover and check with a fork if the potatoes are soft or not. When they are boiled, put them aside. Now take a pan and put 2 cups flattened rice and fry them for about 2 minutes. Put the fried flattened rice into a blender and blend it into fine powder. Now smash the boiled potatoes. Add salt as per taste and 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon black pepper powder and add flattened rice powder. Now give it a good mix. And knead them into dough. Now press them to flatten the mixture. And cut them into whatever shape you prefer. Take some oil in a pan to fry the barfis. Fry them until they become golden brown on both the sides. And our crispy barfi is ready. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.